everyone, my name is Devany Faskalianti from 4th semester P1 English Literature and Culture Study program. Today our topic is about how to pronounce consonant sounds in English words. Let's start. English consonant sounds and the related English word. Fricative 1. F, as in first, fast, fine, fresh. 2. V, as in van, vivid, voice, vast. 3. T, as in thick, think, thump, tank. 4. Z, as in these, that, though, then. 5. S, as in so, san, sing, soft. 6. Z, as in zend, zebra, zoom, zone. 7. Sh, as in she, show, shine, shore. 8. Z, as in casual, measure, fashion, treasure. 9. H, as in heart, happy, hope, heat. Plosives. 1. P, as in pick, pen, park, big. 2. B, as in bat, back, big, book. 3. T, as in team, top, ten, time. 4. D, as in dined, dog, door, dark. 5. K, as in coat, cat, king, kick. 6. G, as in get, go, game, gate. Affricate. 1. Ch, as in choose, chair, charm, cheese. 2. Ch, as in chat, jungle, judge, juice. Approximants. 1. W, as in watch, wonder, water, wall. 2. R, as in rock, rat, run, river. 2. Y, as in yacht, yellow, young, yogurt. Lateral approximants. 1. L, as in look, laugh, lake, light. 2. L, as in tall, full, ball, call. Nasals. 1. As in mood, man, mood, make. 2. As in neck, nice, nose, night. 3. As in song, ring, long, ging.